Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to adjust text and icon size in Windows 11. Right-click Desktop, click View, change Normal, Medium and Small. Change scale and layout settings to recommended. Change text size. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.